Greetings, Marvin. We're going to be looking at how we can actually insert a video in our web page. It's very important. A lot of person might not familiar with it, or you can actually do that. But I'm going to show you exactly how you're going to do that. So let us jump on the computer. Right, if you notice right here, we have our VS Code open. We can actually use the notepad and also but we're going to be using this Visual Studio Code to do it, right? Before we go to that, you notice this itself is a folder and this itself is a video what we're going to actually use. Definitely. All right, so bring up the visual code. Now we're going to click right here at file, or you can come right here and say new file. Now when you click on the new file, now this is what come up. All right. So I'm gonna type video. I wanna type video. I just come right down here and I click. Now when I click now, it's going to take me directly onto the desktop right here. So in desktop now, I can type video dot html. All right, so I want to make sure I save it on the desktop. You notice right here, so create and click and create, and immediately up here, you're gonna see it give me a section to start the code right here. Notice, and if I come like this right here, you notice this is self-visit. All right, so I'm going to go back up now. So I'm going to write in the head. Right, so what I'm going to be doing now, putting the head tag. Right, so HTML. Right, I'm going to close it. So if you notice when I close it, if you notice right here, show the top and bottom, just press enter. When you finish, and you're going to put in head. And you close it. You notice again, you press enter. Again, you're going to put in a title. You're going to close it. Right. Come like say inner head. Press enter. We're going to put in the body because everything that we're going to do, we're going to actually put in the body apart from the head. Right. If you notice. All right. That's it. So up right up here now. In the head, we're going to say my video. My video. That's what we're going to put as the heading. All right. So right in here now, between the body, we want to put the element right there inside of the body. All right. So what we're going to be looking at now to type in right here, we're going to put in the source and so forth in it so far. Right. So next thing that you wanted to do, you want to type here, to notice video. Yes. And then you write control. All right. Put the S right there. Let me shift the mouse a little. Then I'm going to close it just like that. You notice I'm going to press enter again. So if you notice in between right here is where you're going to put the next element, right? So next element now, I'm going to put source, right? Get a look space. I'm going to say SRC like that. You're going to put the equal. Notice that's plus. Let's move that. All right, so the equal. You notice have a quote in the middle. All right, so that quote in the middle now. All right. So definitely the video that you wanted to use this, you can actually right click on it. And when you right click on it, definitely you're going to go down to rename here. Just to get the copy of it like that. You're going to right click, you're going to copy, like that and close it. You're going to bring up like this, VS Code. Right, you're going to paste it right in between here. You now have it inside there. All right, let's go back. Right inside there. And then I'm going to put that MP4. Notice I have that MP4. All right, notice the code right there. So I'm going to go outside. give it that, and then put the word type. Right, so the type of file. So I want to put the equal. Definitely. We'll put the equal now. There we're gonna put the quote. So now we have the quote right there. They want to put the word video. They put the word video. They're gonna put the slash. Notice, I remove the mouse. When I put the slash, they're gonna put MP4. Notice when I put MP4. Now what you want it to do definitely is to close it. Right? So you're gonna come back out and then you're gonna close it. Just like that. So what you want it to do, you come right up here to file, click, you're gonna click and save. Then you're gonna minimize this now. So you're gonna take this, put inside of this folder, you're gonna take the video also and put inside that folder. You're gonna right click on it and you're gonna open just like that. So next thing you want it to do right here, you're gonna right click again. You're going to open with Google Chrome. Alright, I can minimize this in the meantime. Right, so definitely to show you exactly how it appear on the page. Right, if you notice right here, if you notice right up here, show you my video. Right, and if you notice here, this is the video itself. Right, if I scroll up, you notice right here, show that I can play the video right here, show that I can adjust the volume just the same. But what I wanted to do, definitely, I want to decrease it. Yes, if we need to have a little smaller piece. Alright, so if you notice right up here in the control on the video, right, you're gonna click right up there. Now when you click right up there, you know, at the width we're gonna change it. We're gonna change the width. Yes. Right, so we're gonna change it to that side. I wanna put the equal. Alright. There we're gonna put quote. We're gonna put 400 for the time being. Right. And then we're gonna put back on a quote right here. Definitely. Then we're gonna save it. Very important. Alright, so we're gonna minimize that. So here we're gonna minimize again. Notice we have to take this put back right in the folder. Right here, so replace it. Then we're gonna bring up back the browser and then we're gonna come right here to refresh it. Alright, to notice, become smaller now. If I click it right here, notice the video can actually play in my web page so far. But let's look back on the VH wallpaper right here. If you notice, to change the width, you notice that's what I put right there. 400, I can actually increase it more if I want it. You know, this control, so these are the stuff definitely actually use to convert, right? So if I wanted to change it some more, I move the 4 and I put 8 and then come right here, save it, minimize again, put this right up inside here. And then we're going to bring up the page and then we're going to refresh it. So you notice it actually come back up, so you can actually add just a side. If you notice this itself, you can bring it up to full screen. You come right here, notice. Yeah, so definitely when you actually put it in the video, in the web page, right? Definitely if you notice right here in our VS Code, you notice right here, control, which means you actually give the person who will operate it control over it, right? So when you put the word control, what eventually happens is that the person who actually accessing the video, then can actually click right as a start. You can actually adjust the volume, you can put it up for full screen and all of that. So very important. So I hope you learned something from this video here. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.